NVIDIA has officially unveiled NemoClaw, a brutalist one-command shortcut that turns your PC into a fortified fortress for autonomous agents. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your Tech Hub. In a move to add privacy and security controls to autonomous AI agents makes them more trustworthy and accessible to the world. Jensen Huang, founder and CEO of NVIDIA, has said that OpenClaw has become the fastest-growing open-source project in history. He said that Mac and Windows are the operating systems for the personal computer, while OpenClaw is the operating system for personal AI. This is the beginning of a new renaissance in software. OpenClaw brings people closer to AI and helps create a world where everyone has their own agents. And now, you can optimize OpenClaw in a single command using NemoClaw. It installs OpenShell to provide open models and an isolated sandbox that adds data privacy and security to autonomous agents. This provides the missing infrastructure layer beneath claws to give them the access they need to be productive, while enforcing security and privacy guardrails. NemoClaw uses open agents that can tap open models, including NVIDIA Nemotron running locally on the user's dedicated system. Using a privacy router, agents can use frontier models running in the cloud. This combination of local and cloud models provides a foundation for agents to develop and learn new skills to complete tasks. Whether you're using NVIDIA GeForce RTX PCs and laptops, or NVIDIA RTX Pro-powered workstations, or even NVIDIA DGX Station and NVIDIA DGX Spark AI supercomputers. With NemoClaw, your agents can now work 24/7, learning skills and smashing tasks while you sleep. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.